start the next lesson. Okay, arrays. Okay, arrays. Organizing and storing data is a foundational concept of programming. One way we organize data in real life is by making lists. Let's make one here. New Year's resolutions, keep a journal, take a falconry class, learn to juggle. Let's now write this list in JavaScript as an array. So let New Year's resolutions equal keep a journal, comma, take a falconry class, learn to juggle. Okay. Arrays are JavaScript's way of making lists. Arrays can store any data types, including strings, numbers, and booleans. Like lists are ordered. Like lists, arrays are ordered, meaning each item has a numbered position. Here's an array of concepts we'll cover. Let concepts equal creating arrays, array structures, array manipulation. By the end of this lesson, you'll have another tool under your belt that helps you manage chunks of data. Instructions, run the code to see what is logged to the console. Okay, so this is the output of that code. Outputs the array itself with the strings within. One way we can create an array is to use an array literal. Okay, so create an array. One way we can create an array is to use an array literal. An array literal creates an array by wrapping items in square brackets. Remember from the previous exercise, arrays can store any data type. We can have an array that holds all the same data types or an array that holds different data types. Individual array elements and then the square brackets. So you can include within that array, you can include a string, you can include a numerical value or number, and then you can include a boolean. So let's take a closer look at the syntax in the array example. The array is represented by the square brackets and the content inside. Each content item inside an array is called an element. There are 3 different elements inside the array. Each element inside the array is a different data type. We can also save an array to a variable. You may have noticed we did this in the previous exercise. Let New Year's resolutions equal keep a journal, take a falconry class, learn to juggle. Let's practice by making an array of our own. Declare a variable using const named hobbies. It is equal to an array with 3 strings inside. Okay, so I'm going to give it 3 strings. I'm just going to say then do make. So let's just give it 3 verbs: make, do, and run. Okay, that's correct. So use console.log to print hobbies to the console. Run that. That's correct. So this is the output of that code.